Welcome back to the CryptoNest. So an update on ICP. So last time I did the update was the 12th of February. Really? That long? I don't know. Anyway, so now I did some charting again because I love it. And then, so I have two options to show you. So first of all, the all count if you want. So I said the blue count. So it's this was the 1 and a 2, a 3, 4, and a 5th, and we actually completed this whole movement. And then I believe we did this A overshooting wave B, and now we're going to do this wave C and retrace in this level in blue. So that's a possible wave count up to now, and then now we'll see if that is the case. This is the one, so we're going to see a pullback and reach higher price than a 2, and then make a 3, a 4, and a 5 and reach this box. Okay, this is option 1. We have another one, it's a little bit more bullish, and it's going to be the yellow count. So this is 1, 2, still same. All this movement is the third wave. This is the fourth wave, and then the retracement, let's say if I take this length of the wave 3, it actually goes bend on into the ADIO retracement, and this would have been not overshooting wave B, but just the fifth wave. So if that is the case, then let me zoom out a little bit. So all this movement in yellow would have been finished and completed, the wave, a bigger wave count in 1 in yellow, and now we're going to have a B, C correction to complete the wave 2, the big count in yellow. So now for a moment, it's we'll see which level and what's the pattern of this latest trend is doing. We're going to start to count the waves, and we can see and try to figure out what's going to do at the end. Also, I'm still on the daily one, so we can see that well, the RSI, maybe I can see some bullish divergence, because we can actually do a trend line that it's going on the higher side. But even though the MACD we're losing momentum, we can also draw an uptrend line. So we will see about that, what's going to happen. But we do have some bullish divergence on the MACD and the RSI. So we can expect higher prices maybe soon. If that is the case, then it's going to invalidate all my options. No, I'm kidding. So if we're going to reach higher prices, it still works band on, because we need to do a retracement for a wave 2, and then after a 3 and a 4 and a 5. So still working out for that, unless he's doing something else, and you can also make maybe an extension. So this is 1 and a 2, and this is just the 1 and 2 of the third wave. So that's another possible explanation. But since Bitcoin, it's kind of moving on the side, and then only have left one wave, and after that we're expecting a big pull back. So it's unlikely. I mean, it would be amazing, I would say, but how strong can ICP fight back the downtrend of this eventual Bitcoin pullback? So to be determined, let's say. But I would put probabilities are unlikely that ICP has that power to overpower the big downtrend of Bitcoin. But that's my personal opinion. So if I go to the 1 hour, let's see if I can if we can see something. Take out this. Okay, so if this was the end of the wave B. Can I see maybe a 1, a 2, and now 3, a 4? Yeah, maybe I can count 3 or 4 waves, but yeah, it's not. Honestly, I would love to have more downtrend impulsive movement. This is like I would say it looks like more corrective than impulsive. So we will see how it goes with that. The other interesting or funny thing is that if I take all this movement from the beginning to the end, okay, I already did it. So you can see that if this was a smaller wave count, a 1, this is a deal retracement for the wave 2. So we have many options now, guys. So we need to be aware. As you can see, I can find those kind of these like inner 1, 2 within the other waves in a few coins. So eventually, shortly, I will be able to invalidate some counts. Actually, here I didn't even put it, but it was just for fun to show you how it's amazing how all crypto they kind of react at the same time. Alright, so this is all for ICP. Just remember though that ICP it's a very highly risky investment because it's very new coin, and for sure it didn't help that price has been big time manipulated at its opening. So yeah, so we just need to be aware of that. So invest the money that you can afford to lose, and for sure to help you to not lose all your money, always put a sell stop limit, so at least you can preserve your initial money or something, because if you already invested some money here, you're already in profit. So as soon as you're in profit, you should and you're expecting price to go higher, then you should have your sell stop limit in function. Because if you know that maybe we just did the 1 and a 2 and we're going for a third wave, you should as soon as we reach higher levels, you should first of all secure your beginning of your profit, let's say, and then you hire your sell stop limit. Because anyway, if we finish this fifth wave, for sure we're going to make a correction. So you want to take at least, I would say it's a good strategy in my opinion, to take 50% off, because you take back your initial money of the investment, and after, if you want to let it, the money that you leave on the market and you let it run, that's all your gain. So worst case scenario, even if you lose all your gain, but you didn't lose your capital you injected in. That's my 2 cents opinion. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then, yeah, it's very important. If you can like the video, I think it's going to help for the views in the algorithms of YouTube. Alright, have a good day.